Our commercial clear ice machines are sturdily built with stainless steel. They allow users to produce large, clear ice blocks in batches, perfectly meeting the needs of bars, restaurants, and other businesses. Two models are available, the IMT300 and the IMT200. The IMT300 is twice as large as the IMT200, with double the clear ice production capacity. In this video, we'll demonstrate using the IMT300. Here's the basics. The IMT300 is 870 millimeters wide, 755 millimeters deep, 856 millimeters tall. It can make 4 standard shapes of clear ice blocks: cube, sphere, Collins sphere, and diamond. For production capacity, it makes 32 clear ice spheres, each 75 millimeters in diameter, or 60 smaller clear ice spheres at 60 millimeters, or 60 clear ice cubes measuring 55 millimeters, or 72 smaller cubes at 50 millimeters, or 36 Collins spheres sized 37 by 37 by 120 millimeters, or 48 slightly shorter Collins spheres at 38 by 38 by 102 millimeters, or 60 clear ice diamonds measuring 60 by 55 millimeters. The clear ice molds are sold with the frame separately from the machine. You can select the package of molds you need. Please note that the frame for the mold of large sphere is not compatible with other molds. The other molds of shapes can share the frame. When you use a new machine, you need to install the hose for the water inlet and water outlet, which is a simple task. Lock the casters. Now let's make some ice. Place the molds in the machine. You can put the frame in the machine first, then place the molds in the frame. Or you can pack all molds in the frame, then put the loaded frame in the machine. While the 75 millimeter sphere mold requires a dedicated frame, you can load other shapes individually or mix them together in a single frame. Please note that the large sphere molds should be parallel to the frame's handles, while the other shapes should be vertical. Close the lid and press the ice button. The machine will then automatically run the ice making and detaching process. Each production cycle takes about 23 hours to complete, consuming approximately 16 kilowatt hours of electricity and 30 liters of water. About half of this water is drained after the detach process is complete. The display shows how long the machine has been making ice. When all 5 indicators are lit up, it means the ice is ready. The machine will enter the freeze mode. We recommend using the ice within 4 hours. Now let's harvest the ice. It could be a bit hard to pull the ice molds out. You may use a screwdriver or another tool that you find convenient to loosen the first mold. After the first mold is removed, the rest will be easy. To open the molds of cubes and Collins spheres, it would be better to start from the bottom. When the mold is open, you will get a standard shaped clear ice block. You can also use freeze mode as a standalone feature. When the display shows on, press the freeze button and the machine will maintain its internal temperature at -15 degrees Celsius. In this mode, the display shows the real-time temperature in the machine. How to cancel the ice making process. Press and hold the ice button and the detach button to unlock the machine. Then press the stop drain button. How to manually enable the detach process when the ice making process has not completed. Press and hold the ice button and detach button to unlock the machine, then press the detach button. How to drain the water manually. When the display shows on, press and hold the stop drain button for 3 seconds. It will start draining. Press the stop drain button again after the water has been drained. That's all for the tutorial. Thanks for watching.